I'm Ellie, and I'm here to help you with your back-to-school swag.
When you're bored and lonely on a Tuesday night, and all you wanna do is sit and cry, go on YouTube and search for me. And when you want funny, just watch Ellie. Wow.
To start things off, you're probably going to need some cool shoes. Converse, casual swag, flops and socks, athletic swag, flip-flops, post-summer and pre-summer swag. You're probably going to want some money because you're going to sit there in school and you're like, oh my god, I want some Rice Krispies, I want a Pop-Tart, I want some Oreos, I want some Cheetos, and you're not going to have any money, so get some money. For basics, you're going to need a notebook and some pencils so that you can just write things you don't care about. Inside this, you're probably going to need one of these for English, but you never use it, so it's a waste of your money. Some post-it notes so you can annotate things you don't care about. Highlight things you don't care about, color things you don't care about. Scissors to stab the girl you don't like. Tape so you can tape that kid's mouth you don't like when they ask the stupid questions or make the stupid comments. I would also invest in some lotion because you're in gym class, you're like, does anyone have any lotion? I'm ashy on my legs. So, get some lotion. You're going to need a printer and a lot of paper because, schools just want you to print everything. Essays. You're probably going to need a computer so that you can, look up the answers. And I think the most important thing you need to remember is this. See, you have to put on this mask. I'm happy because I'm in school. I'm happy because I'm listening to the lesson. I'm happy because I care about what you're saying. You see? I care. I'm going to tell you a simple, easy way how to relieve that stress, tension that you feel during the school year. So let's say you have this assignment and it's stressing you out a lot. Okay? Here's what you're going to do. You're going to take assignment and you're going to put in folder. You're going to close folder and you're going to have an essay coming up. Don't type it. Gotta annotate your book for tonight? Don't annotate. Do you have to read a couple pages tonight? Spark notes. Have a project due? Don't do it. I'm in this casual wear because I don't care, so.
See you later, hater.